Hi, this is just a quick video to show how to correlate dynamic value in the JMeter. So to do that, I have set up three APIs. One is create role, and second is get role details, and third is the update the role. So let's run this API once. Yeah, so as you can see in the result preview, we have successfully passed the two APIs. When we look into the first API, a role name is created, which is senior quality analyst, and this is his role ID. So this is dynamic for the every role we have been creating. So now what we have to do, we have to fetch this ID and pass this ID into this get role API. Okay, so if you go and see the result of the get role, you can see the name is admin3. Okay, so this is the ID of the admin3 role. So now what we have to do, we have to fetch this ID and pass it over the get role details and update role details. So how we can do this? So let's copy this ID. Let's open regex tester, paste this thing, and I have to create one regular expression to fetch the dynamic value. So I hope this would work. Yes, so here we have get this ID. So now we have to create a post processor, which is regular expression extractor. So we have to copy that expression over there, ID, and pass it over here in the regular expression. Then we have to define a variable for that. Let's name it role ID. The template set to 1 and the match count is set to 1. Now we have to pass this variable wherever we have to find this value. So curly bracket, okay, the update role, okay. Okay, so let's again create one role and let's see. Here change to text view. See, the role is created, which is senior quality analyst 1, and when we open the get role details, we also get the senior quality analyst 1, because this ID is dynamic and we have successfully fetched and we have successfully correlate this ID. Okay, so now let's see the update role API. Let's run this once. I have to create 2. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, a role senior quality analyst 2 is created and the ID is this. This is the get role details. Here you can get the senior quality analyst ID 2 as well, and the ID is this, and update role. So this ID is updated with performance test engineer name. Yeah, so this way we can correlate so many of the dynamic value. Yep, so this is it. This is just a quick sample work. Feel free to send me a message. I will reply to you right away. I hope we work together. Cheers and bye bye.